sir.
Online, everyone getting? So you can chat me up. There is a chat box in your Zoom which can be used up. Next, which are the industry using this, and what type of softwares, what is the alternative software, which industry is using? These are all the things we have covered inside the last session. The last session covered topic is this. What is the software? Which industry is using the software? And the user interface a little bit we have started off. We'll be doing the same thing. What is the alternative of the software you got to know today? What is the alternative? Nuke and Fusion. Whatever the things you are doing in After Effects, that can be done in Nuke and Fusion also. Then why to pay 3 times money, sir? Am I right? You can able to ask these questions. 3 times ఎందుకు పేమెంట్ చేయాలి, రైట్? అదే వర్క్ 3 సాఫ్ట్వేర్ మీద చేయండి, ఒక సాఫ్ట్వేర్ నేర్చుకుని సరిపోతుంది కదా. Fine. So if this question is there, then only the answer can reach up. There is no questions, so sometimes you'll take it easy, like okay, we can take. But you can find the question like this: why I need to pay 3 times money, sir? If that can be done in one software, why I need to learn three? Yes, there is answer. Just have a question, and Google is there to answer you up, and your faculty can able to answer this. You can go get the answer from various sources. Basic keyboard shortcut we have focused, and one of the shortcut we have seen. Now the task has been given to you. What is the task given? What's relevant video? What have been talked in the last class? Does we have done or not? It depends on us. If you have done, you're onto the track. Are you getting what I'm talking? Fine. Check user interface. We have opened the software and you have seen some of the interface. Does you have done? Check it out. If you have done, yes, you're on track. Find the rest. Make the note. What are the things you're listening? Get it note in down. Because no books there with you, right? You want to make magic in the career? So it has to be done up. Or else find a book from the Google. The book to be note out. So I'll start off providing few of the informations. Apprentice in After Effects. In After Effects. This is a book by Chris and Tris Meyer. Chris and Tris Meyer. Whatever the knowledge I'm
Yes,
telling you of, it is from the books. If we can do, anybody can do. So it's no rocket science. All the things available in the book. Chris and Tris Meyer. Tech Media Publication. So I just pass it out. Where from we are getting the knowledge. Second information, Adobe help site. Adobe help site. Guru's Guru are there, right? It is the company who is providing the software. Everything bit by bit available. Lynda.com. In the start of the session itself, I provide you where from you can able to get the information with zero investment. Am I right? ఒక్క రూపాయి ఇన్వెస్ట్ చేయడానికి అవసరం లేదు. Everything is there. Lynda.com. Okay. It is a paid, maybe like you can crack it up. I don't know, but this is the source where you can get the information. So these are the few sources where you can able to get Adobe informations, and we are getting the other side information. What particular I am doing that Hyderabad is a very big place of second-hand books. Might be known, and Koti market is a very big market. We have get some books from there, and we have gathered the knowledge from there. So I'm not telling like go to Koti is pandemic situation. So I'm just telling where from we are getting. You can get better knowledge in less time. Fine. Then there is a library called British Library in Hyderabad. It's a very big library. All foreign author books are available, and we get the information from there. So I just pass it out all the informations where you can able to get it without any faculty's help. Is it okay? Fine. It's not for this software. Any software you can get it adapt. Fine. So next information passed out. Now we'll move into the software. Is it clear? It is for extra information we have provided. Fine. So hope the review of last session is over. Whatever we have learned in the last session. Now into this session. We'll be covering up the user interface in detail manner. Yesterday we have started up. Yes. And anything What is the difference between Premiere and After Effects? Yes, it's a nice question. The answer is on your screen. Premiere is a video editing software. Premiere is a video editing software. And After Effects is a compositing software. Compositing software. Now the question, what is compositing, sir? Right? What is video editing? Okay, we have got some idea, like mobile apps are there, which doing video editing, right? Cut the scenes and get it collapse. Now compositing is such a thing what editor cannot able to do. Example, making a fire from your eye. What cameraman cannot be do, that is done by the compositing software. A simple definition. Where cameraman fails, there your job starts, the compositing job starts. Hope we have answered it up. Does the answer okay, Mr. Sai? Fine then. So any question you can raise the things, and whatever the things we understood a little bit, we'll say it up. Fine, the topic is very clear now. User interface detail. User interface detail. This field is very easy. Everybody can able to do it, but only 30% output comes from here. This is the magic inside it. This is very such a easy field. 7 pass, 8 pass can able to go inside, but artistical output comes with 30%. 70% people will get clerical jobs. Job is available, right? Job is not a big problem. Copy paste job are there. Copy paste. Technical jobs are there, and creative jobs are there. And the salary rise in this manner. Copy paste available to everybody. Software look on your tools of the chart. Now technical things like you know where which option is there inside. That is a little technical jobs, a little higher salary. And creative are there where you are innovative and you are making some artistical work. So artistic things are approached here and the salary becomes high. So hope in the middle, the art people come up, this artistic people. Technical handle, then you can rise your salary a little more. But if you're good in art, again, you can rise your salary. And you are creative enough, then the maximum profit goes to the creative people. That doesn't require to have an artist skill. The art should be there in the brain. Hope we have understood what is this field about. If we have already known, very nice. If not, 4 category of jobs are available here. So to which category you can all fit, we can hit to that part. Fine. So it is not in the syllabus. We are just giving some extra things which may help you out because it has not been guided to me. So in that regard, I'm speaking out because it took me more time. Fine then. So let's move into the user interface. Open the software. So around 600 keyboard shortcut will be coming up. The left-hand keyboard will work now. How much you are making note, that will go. Is it okay? I will wait till you are writing or till you are noting or do the noting, whichever way possible. Take the snapshot, take the photograph, make the mobile note, make physical note, anything. But it makes easy your life and time is very precious. So left hand does the major job. Is it okay? In any software, in Photoshop also the same. Online, everyone okay? So sometimes I'm asking, don't take my word as a commanding. It's my job to get it approved from you to move to the higher portions. That's why I'm asking. Fine. So let's see on the screen. The time you open the software, there are few boxes are there. And each box is technically called as panel. Technically called as panel. The panel is a window where the information is there, but panels stand inside a big window, and that window is called frame. So now again a technical term, frame. So catch to the screen. In this particular frame, there are 2 panels are there. Panel and frame and question answer. What is the difference between frame and panel? Panel is placed inside the frame. So a frame is a multiple panel untage. So now got to know what is the difference between panel and frame. Now This frame contains single frame. This frame contains single panel, but this frame contains two panels. Does it okay? So what is panel? What is frame? That is clear now. Next, out of the panels, a particular panel is called active panel, which is having yellow color border. ఎవరికి yellow color border ఉంటుంది అది active panel. Again we got to know technical term active panel. What is active panel? Active panel అంటే ఏంటి? Yellow color border. This should be your answer. Which panel is having yellow color border? That is called active panel. ఈ panel మీద కొన్ని హాట్ కీస్ వర్క్ అవుతుంది, నార్మల్ panel మీద కొన్ని హాట్ కీ వర్క్ అవుతుంది. ఎందుకు బట్టి ఆ panel తెలుసుకోవాలి. Fine then. Again a panel is there, that is called cursor over panel. Wherever your cursor is moving, that is called cursor over panel. Again, how many type of panels we have seen? Two types. What are those? Active panel and cursor over panel. Cursor over panel. Next, how to hold a panel? Where to hold a panel? Question over. Answer. On every panel, at the left top corner or to the right top corner, you will find some dotted mark. Can you able to see? కనపడుతుందా? Online everyone okay? ప్రతి panel left top corner, right top corner మీద కొన్ని dotted mark ఉంటుంది. If not, I'll make it zoom also to let you know. So hope we can able to see a particular panel so that you can take an idea like this is the place where some dot mark are there. Is it okay? So software speak a lot of things in sign language. So we need to understand what is this. Hope it is clear. Is it okay? Now got to know where these buttons are there. Software speak a lot in the form of icons and symbols. Now, this is the place where you can able to hold the panel. And you can start up moving it to the other place. It is clear now. Now, after holding the panel, you can start up moving the panel anywhere you like. Right? The time you move, it shows you a blue color signal. This blue color indicates that we are going to place this panel on that particular panel to the left side. Is it okay? Fine. Now, what we have learned? How to move the panel. Where to hold the panel. What is called a panel? Is it clear now? Now, how to close a panel? On every panel, at the left side on the top, you can find a cross mark. You can close the panel. Close the panel. Close the panel. After closing the panel, how to open the panel? Now, what you got to know? How to close the panel. Any panel in any software of Adobe, any Windows will be there in Windows menu. That we have already know. Now we need to find out the name and get it open. Is it okay? So let us have a note. What are the things we have learned regarding the panel? Panel kosam ememo nechukindi ippudu. How to move the panel, how to close the panel, how to open the panel, right? How to hold the panel, how to shift and move are the same thing. Does it okay? Now, what are the information you got to know? If it is clear, then on the left we'll do that. That's why we are writing about 1, 2, 3, 4 event can be done. Next. The time we move your cursor in between two frame, what I'm talking, two frame. Frame, panel are two different things. Then you can find a directional mark. Can you see? It indicates that you can move your frame anywhere you like. How to maximize the frame. Does it okay? Ardhamainda? Now we are dealing with the frames. Before we are dealing with the panels. And we got a color that is called blue color. Right? Blue color indicates side of a panel. Side of panel. Or related to the panel beside. Now you can able to make the panel to move to the center of the panel. Can you able to see now? Center. Before it was edge. Now what will happen? This particular panel will go to that particular panel on the center. That will go in the back side. It will come to the front side. Check to the screen. We are now moving to this character panel to this composition panel. And you are placing in the center. Then what will happen? Composition panel will go to the back side and character panel will come to the front side. Does it okay? Character panel on the top, composition panel on the back. Now what you got to know now? The color indicates the color could be come to the edge or it could come to the center also. So hope we have find now the color of the blue could be at any place. And as per that, reaction will happen. Now we have understood now how to move the panel. Let's sketch to the screen. The time you drag the panel to the extreme edge of your user interface. User interface ki extreme end ki velandi. Appudu em color vastundi? Green. Green indicates that your file or your panel is going to occupy the whole screen. Does it okay? So what you got to know now? What is called green color? When does green comes? Where it is related to? It is related to four side of your UI, user interface. Four side lo green color vastayi. Then it will take the maximum position. So now I got to know how to move the panel. What is called color? Which color indicates what? All these things will be useful in the studio, not in the practicing. Right? Label em option ledu. Studio kalte ide maatrame. Because time makes money there. And at that time, how you handle the software, it does matter. Hope you got to know where it is going to help you out and where it is highly needed, not in the lab, but in the studio. So highly strainful, highly boring, high money is there. Is it okay? So I'm taking your approval and getting very slow. Once you catch the speed, then you can cover more. That is what my intention. Now we have disturbed the panels here and there. And now we need to get it reset. Now we'll be learning about how to reset the workspace. Now a technical terms come, workspace. It is not a new thing. Andarki Photoshop అయిపోయిందా? Then what is workspace? It is there in Photoshop. What is workspace? The arrangement of the windows inside the work area or in user interface is called workspace. Does it okay? What is workspace? It will be a technical question in your interview. If we are not asking, the other person is there to ask us, right? And that will decide your salary. My salary ఆ మీద డిపెండ్ అవుతుంది. వర్క్ అందరికి వస్తుంది. ఫస్ట్ టెక్నికల్ టెలిఫోనిక్ రౌండ్ ఉంది, తర్వాత టెక్నికల్ రౌండ్, తర్వాత హెచ్ఆర్. So if you need to think for MNC, then get ready with these questions, right? And it is not a new thing. That is fact for me, for my senior also. నా కోసం కూడా అంతే, నా senior కోసం కూడా. They go in 3 different process of interview. First, technical telephonic round is there. At that point, they fire you like anything with some technical terms. And that makes a sense for your salary rise. Not for job. Job, DTP center, job vastayi. Nothing wrong in it. But MNC thinking, then this is required. Am I right? No? This, so we can connect myself. So I'm not a teacher here. Just a technician, you are also a technician. I'm not a great teacher to teach the things. Whatever a little experience we do have, we are sharing. Fine then. So workspace can be handled at the Windows menu or in the option bar. In Photoshop also the same. One software, okay, 3-4 software you can able to handle easily. Photoshop, Illustrator, After Effects, Premiere, InDesign. All these things are same 30% user interface. Switch to the Windows, go for workspace and reset standard. Note it down. Where to note? Windows, workspace, reset. It's okay. Everything is record. Just listen it up 2-3 times. You'll be getting this recorded things. Now the learning is very easy. Only you need to put some time. Now what you can see, the user interface get reset. So now I got to know, make the disturbance, get it reset. Now why to disturb, sir? Am I right? This could be next question. Disturb ఎందుకు చేయాలా, reset ఎందుకు చేయాలా? Fine. Question is genuine. Because to make it customize your user interface. సాఫ్ట్వేర్ ఇచ్చిన యూజర్ ఇంటర్ఫేస్ మీదే కొన్ని వర్క్స్ జరుగుతుంది, కానీ ప్రొఫెషనల్ వర్క్స్ చేస్తున్న టైంలో యూజర్ ఇంటర్ఫేస్ కస్టమైజ్ చేయాలి. మీ ఇష్టం ఉంటే ప్రకారం ఇంటర్ఫేస్ కావాలి, ఆ కోసం డిస్టర్బెన్స్ చేయాలి. ఇజ్ ఇట్ ఓకే? నౌ హౌ టు క్రియేట్ యువర్ ఓన్ వర్క్ స్పేస్. వాట్ ఇస్ ద నెక్స్ట్ టాపిక్? వర్క్ స్పేస్ రీసెట్ అయిపోయింది. నౌ క్రియేటింగ్ యువర్ వర్క్ స్పేస్. As per the requirement, you need your own panels only. Unnecessary panels to be get deleted. Let us take an example. We don't need this. Any unnecessary things doesn't require. Only 3 panels required. If so, it is not taking like only 3 are required. Everything is required. If you need only these 3, then go to the Windows, ask to the software, new workspace. Instantly, the software will ask you, what is the name? Write down 17th June pixel. Does it okay? Now got to know how to save the workspace. Where is the option? Windows, workspace, new workspace. Now we have understood how to create our own workspace. But why to create our own workspace? That is more important. How to create అందరికి వస్తాయి, ఎందుకు చేయాలి అది? ఆన్సర్ ఉంది, then we are professional. Am I right? No? How to do, how to use that, everybody knows. Why to use, where to use, that is not in the software. And that makes the career. What I have understood in 15 years that I'm passing out. Fine then. Now we'll be learning how to load the workspace. What is the topic now? Create workspace again. ఎప్పుడేమి లోడింగ్ వర్క్ స్పేస్. మన ఇష్టం ఉంటే వర్క్ స్పేస్ ఇలా లోడ్ చేయాలి. స్విచ్ టు ది విండోస్, సేమ్ మెనూ, predefined workspace are there, just one button, job is done. Next, if you need your workspace, that is there on the top, 17th June pixel art, load it up. ఇప్పుడు ఏమర్థమైంది? వర్క్ స్పేస్ లోడింగ్ ఎట్లా చేయాలా, సేవింగ్ ఎట్లా చేయాలా, రీసెట్ ఎట్లా చేయాలా, వాట్ ఈస్ అండ్ మీన్ బై వర్క్ స్పేస్. 3-4 things to get it clear. How to load, how to create, how to reset, and what it is. First, that is more important. Where it is used. So what is the topic going on? User interface detail. User interface details. Next, we'll start with few keyword shortcut. Yesterday we have done with one. We'll repeat the same. Wherever your cursor is there, you can make it to turn into full screen. How to make the panel to go for full screen? With the keyboard shortcut, tilt button. On your screen, you can find a digital keyboard. Beside to the one, a button is there on your keyboard. That button is used to make the cursor over panel to turn into full screen. Wherever your cursor is there, that panel will go to full screen, not the active panel. Right? Hope you can see how to make the panel. Now the keyboard start. So it is to be noted out online. Everyone note it down. We have not learned more thing. Only user interface మీదే ఉంటుంది. సాఫ్ట్వేర్లో ఇంపోర్ట్ కూడా స్టార్ట్ చేయలేదు. What is user interface? అది మాత్రం జరుగుతుంది. If anything is there, you can chat me up. So everybody getting online? Voice okay? Now the first keyboard shortcut we have learned is tilt button. And what is the tilt button? On your screen, you can find it out on the digital keyboard. Okay. This is the button, what is used to make it full screen. Next, as if we got to know in the last class, minimum 3 panels are used. One is called project panel, second one is composition panel, and third one is timeline. 3 panels use is maximum in After Effects. This is there to help out, to invite the people in the sense footage. It is a place where the digital drama will happen, and it is the place the drama will be controlled. Timeline, composition panel, and project panel. Most of the editing software and compositing software does have minimum these 3 panels ready. So what is composition panel? It is a place to show the information. What is project panel? It is a place to get the file to imported and place. Right? This is the green room or the stage. Before coming to the stage, they will stay here. Fine. So hope all the things are clear. One more hotkey will be introduced now. Check to the screen. How to make it full screen? Yes, tilt button. Tilt button is help to do the full screen. Now, the full screen is happening with menu bar. Can everybody see the menu bar on the top? All right. In professional, the menu bar is also a disturbance. They don't want to see this. Then how to make full screen without menu bar? Question over. Answer. Hold the control button and backspace. Note it down. Control, backspace. Full screen without menu bar. Question, answer, everything over. Recorded also. Now get back. Control, backspace. Backslash, not space. Backslash. So there is a slash button beside to your backspace on your keyboard. So control and backslash will make the panel to go for full screen without menu bar. Hope we have understood now the second hotkey of the software. The two keyboard shortcut has been used now. The tilt button and CTRL plus backslash. These two buttons we have learned today. This to make full screen. This is also there to make full screen, but it with menu, it is without menu, right? With menu. This is without menu. And to get it back, again hit the same. Then it will back to the normal stage. Check to the screen now, tilt. So hope we have understood what is the reaction happening on the screen and how it is happening. And what is the task now? Switch to the lab, hit the keyboard shortcut, make your panel ready. Save the workspace, load the workspace, right? Reset the workspace and get it moved to the maximum position. Is it clear now? So what are the things we have understood? How to control the user interface only. Now, one more thing. How to detach a panel. What is the topic now? Detaching the panel. Till now, everything is in attached stage. How to detach the panel. Hold the control button and drag from the dotted point. You can detach the panel. అర్థమైందా? Panel detachment ఎట్లా చేయాలి? Again, you can attach the panel. Detaching, attaching. So next thing you got to know about the panel, detach it. And it is not done directly through the control button. Control and drag, right? So hope we got to know. Next event, left hand keyboard is doing the work. The faster it is there on your left keyboard, it makes the magic in every software. What I've understood that I'm passing, just check my word, does it working or not. Then benefit of this, we can make the whole software to be get minimized. You can drag it out. You can see the desktop and do the work. This is the magic in After Effects. You are free to do whatever you like. You can see the desktop and do the work. That much of flexibility is there in this compositing software. Is it okay? So what you got to know? How to make the panel to detach and how to minimize the whole user interface, just like a button. So what is happening on the screen? Start playing with the UI first, then the work will start. In every software, whichever the software you are liking, let the user interface under your control. Then you are master on the software. If not, what? We'll be the slave for the software. We'll be working for the software. The software should work for us. Am I right? Manakosam software panchayala. Then we need to command on that on the working interface first. Fine then. So hope we got to know how to minimize the things, how to maximize the things, how to detach the things, how to attach the thing. Detaching, attaching, maximizing, minimizing. Now check to the frames. You can move the cursor to any two panel and you can maximize it. And if you're moving in between 3 frames, then you can get a 4 directional mark. You can move to the left, right, up, down. How to move, where to place, that is clear. To be observed and to be get done in the lab. What you have learned now? How to make the user interface, how much to be get maximum, wherever you want to. Where your cursor should be, in between 3 panel. And what is to be observed, get 4 directional mark. Kanpartunda? Ee mark ravala, then start up moving your operation. Placement to be exactly on the place, observation should be there, then only the reaction will happen, right? One eye here and there will make you less 1 second. That's it. No rocket science, but observations, concentration, defocus hote, only focus all the time ivala, and time is money in this world. So hope you can able to understand where it is going to help us. Is it clear now? Next, let's go to the frame to the top right. Top left side finish అయిపోయింది. Top right side లో ఒక drop down box ఉంది. కనపడుతుందా? It speaks out more about this panel. Get it down. You can find 2 options over here. Close the frame, close the panel. 2 type of words are there. Panel entity, frame entity, are they clear? So you can use that. Maximize the frames, all the things. If keyboard shortcut, everything forgotten, then go to the right top. There also you can able to click and do the game. Fine then, so hope we have understood what is user interface and how to handle that. Now the next topic, inviting the guest. That means we are going to do the composing, so we need to invite the footage. So the topic is importing. Right? Who is going to take part inside the composition is called what? Yesterday we have told. Composition మీదే ఎవరు పార్టిసిపేట్ చేస్తుంది, ఆయనకి ఏం చెప్తుంది? What is the name? Answer is there on your screen. Right? What is footage? Question finished. What is the answer? The file which takes part inside the composition is called footage. Does it okay? Nothing to get over it. So don't take my word as a personal question. It is a professional question. Okay? So it is to be get asked inside the interview. They will ask a very simple question, composition and deity. He's right, right? We should answer. మొత్తం ఆఫ్టర్ వర్క్స్ వస్తుంది. ఫోటోషాప్ అంటే ఏంటి, ఇదే క్వశ్చన్ అడుగుతుంది. వాట్ ఈస్ ఫోటోషాప్? ఫోటోషాప్లో ఏం చేస్తుంది అది చెప్పింది అవసరం లేదు. వాట్ ఈస్ ఫోటోషాప్? దే విల్ ఆస్క్ ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ దిస్ క్వశ్చన్. వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఆన్సర్? దట్ ఈస్ ద నెక్స్ట్ లెవెల్ like step to go for interview. They will ask a very simple question, what is Photoshop? How does we are answering? Am I right? No, this is fact for me. నేను కూడా మీ ఆఫీస్లో పనిచేసిన వస్తే మీరు ఏం అడుగుతుంది, చిన్న రిలేటివ్ క్వశ్చన్ మాత్రం అడుగుతుంది. 200 people are there on the row. How to reject the people? This is the method of elimination of selection going on. Am I right? No, అందరికి సాఫ్ట్వేర్ వస్తుంది. How to eliminate the people? They go for this technical question. What is footage? Will be your first question. If it is MNC, I'm not talking about small sector industry. Footage is a file which is going to take part inside the compositions, right? Now, how to import the footage? What is the topic now? How to import the footage. Before importing the footage, let us understand how many type of footage are there. There are 4 type of footages are there. What are those? Image, audio, video, image sequence. These many type of footages are going to work inside the composition. Is it okay? Image, audio, video, telso. Image sequence edit, sir, right? This is a question. Again, before going to that, now we have come into the software, so you can able to understand what is the requirement. How much patience required, that we could able to understand here. Why the big money is there in this field? Because of this reason. It is not like rocket science, nobody can do. Patience highly required, that we need to beat. Image is again of 2 types. Normal image, layer image. Normal image does have in a format of JPEG and all. You might have known this in Photoshop, how to save the file. What are the normal image file format? TIFF, Targa, PNG. They are like normal image file formats. What is this format? What is their use? If answer is there, you are onto the track. If not, ask it, get it, because this is what your career. Because on this output, your input should be ready. Input will be done in Photoshop and so that is okay. Then it makes a sense. Next, layer image is in PSD format. Photoshop file format is your layer-based file format. This file format does have options to save the layers. That's why it is called layer image. Now the whole After Effects will be mostly working on the layer images, because you will design in Photoshop and you will be animating that in After Effects. So you got to know what is the base of PSD layer. Is it clear? Now audio is a single file, nothing to get worried. But coming to video, also a single file, nothing to get worried. You can import it. But coming to the image sequence, what is image sequence? Question over. Answer. Images in a sequential number is called image sequence with a single name. మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి వినండి, ఎంతవరకు అర్థమైందో లేదో స్టాప్ చేయండి. సో డోంట్ కాంప్రమైజ్, బికాస్ ఇట్ ఈస్ యువర్ కెరియర్. రైట్? ఏం రాకెట్ సైన్స్ ఏం లేదు, అందరూ ఈ ఫీల్డ్కి సక్సెస్ఫుల్, ఎవరైనా సరే చేయొచ్చు. కానీ ఆస్క్ ద థింగ్స్ అండ్ గెట్ ఇట్ డన్. What is image sequence? Question over. Answer. It is a group of images having a single name with different numbers. Name అదే ఒకటే ఉంటుంది అందరికి, కానీ ఎక్స్టెన్షన్ 1 2 3 4లో ఉంటుంది. అప్పుడు ఇది ఇమేజ్ సీక్వెన్స్. Is it clear? So what is the difference between group of image and image sequence? రామ్, హరి, గోపాల్, ఇక్కడ గ్రూప్ ఉంది, ఇది ఇమేజ్ సీక్వెన్స్ కాదు. కానీ ఇది RAM 1, RAM 2, RAM 3, RAM 4, then it is image sequence. Does it okay? What is called image sequence and what is called group of images? That we need to understand. Is it clear now? How does it will be? ఇది ఎలా ఉంటుంది అది చెప్పింది, ఏం పేరు మీద ఉంటుంది అది కూడా చెప్పింది. ఇలా ఉంటే ఇమేజ్ సీక్వెన్స్, ఇలా ఉంటే ఇమేజ్ సీక్వెన్స్ కాదు అది కూడా చెప్పింది. Does it clear now? What is the importance of it? ఇమేజ్ సీక్వెన్స్ ఇలా ఉంటుంది అది తెలిసిపోయింది. ఇంపార్టెన్స్ ఏంటి? హార్డ్ డిస్క్ మీదే ఇది ఒక ఇమేజ్ ఎలాగా ఉంటుంది, కానీ సాఫ్ట్వేర్కి వస్తే ఇది ఒక వీడియో ఎలాగా ఉంటుంది. దిస్ ఈస్ ది ఇంపార్టెన్స్ ఆఫ్ ఇమేజ్ సీక్వెన్స్. అర్థమైంది ఏంటి? ఇన్సైడ్ ది హార్డ్ డిస్క్ ఇట్ లుక్ లైక్ ఏ ఇమేజెస్, బట్ వెన్ ఎవర్ యూ విల్ బ్రింగ్ టు ది సాఫ్ట్వేర్ ఇట్ లుక్స్ లైక్ ఏ వీడియో. దట్ ఈస్ ద సిగ్నిఫికెన్స్ ఆఫ్ image sequence. Is it clear? So now I got to know how many type of footages are there, what are those, what is their difference, and now we'll go how to invite them, how to import them. Does it okay? So slowly you are entering into the software now. Henceforth you need to get focus, nothing to get worried. If you are tired or anything, video is recorded, but watch it up after the class. But yes, it is required high patience, man. So if you are tired enough, then it will not do work, because it is artistic field. Sometimes the word are little harder, but think for twice. Fine. Importing can be done in 5 different manners. The first method, I'm talking with numbers. Any type of import cheyochu, 5 type of import cheyochu. First method, go to the file menu and ask for import. Job is done. First method over. Is it okay? The time we go for import, then the software will show you the hard disk. Choose your hard disk wherever you save your file and get them open. Check to the screen. This is a video file. Nothing to get worried. Go for one, anyone, and import. File came up. అర్థమైందా? So video ila import cheyala, finish. Video is a single file, no big issue in it. Let's go to the next thing. Let us import some images. Okay, image, very simple. Image also get normal image, easy ga import అయిపోయింది. Is it okay? Third method, so first method it is file, import. Beside to every option you can find the keyboard shortcut. What is the hotkey? Control I. Next time మళ్ళీ ఎక్కడికి వెళ్ళడానికి అవసరం లేదు, లెఫ్ట్ హ్యాండ్ కీబోర్డ్ మీదే ఉండాలి. One command, job is done. Press the enter, job over. If you're catching, I'll go with professional speed. Somebody is not getting, make me stop. Normal way, professional way, both of them has been taught on the screen. What is the command? Control I. Select the file. Press the enter to get it confirmed. Open chain కూడా ఆప్షన్ లేదు. Note it down. ఇలా సెలెక్ట్ అయిపోయిన తర్వాత ఇక్కడికి రావాలా క్లిక్ చేయాలా ఆప్షన్ లేదు. Just press the enter. Job is done. So now I got to know how to import the file in two methods. File, import, file, second method, control I. Is it clear? Now the third method. So let's make the note what we have learned regarding the import. Two method finished. File and import and file. What is the second method? CTRL plus I. Everything is understandable, but after 45 to 72 hours, 70% thing will be forgotten. This is the gift of the God. So human forgets 70% in 48 hours. Only 30% will be there. But nothing to get worried. Just do the event, it will get remembered. Next, third method. Inside the project panel, have a double click in Photoshop the same, After Effects the same. No need to learn After Effects. Photoshop vachindi, After Effects 30% clear. One software to be get maximized learning. Choose your file, get it input. Third method finish. What is the third method? Note it down. Double click on project panel. Just I'm randomly writing. It should be a perfect, like professional note on your book. Right. Next. How many method? 1, 2, 3 method for. Now the fourth method. Switch to the hard disk. Find your image. Just drag and drop in your software. Job is done. Hope it is clear. Note it down. Drag and drop method. Is it clear? Now the next method. Okay. Importing on the right click also, you can try it up. Open it to After Effects. If it is there, then it's work. My right click is not working. Just have a try on the right click of the image. Open with, always there. So if it is there, you can get it up. So hope we have understood now 4 different methods. But it makes the job easier in these 3. 1, 2, 3. But whenever the case come like PSD file or layer image or image sequence, this 4 method required more 3 method to get it go. It will never open these files. So we'll see now how to handle PSD file. What is the topic now? How to handle PSD file. So let us make a file. So you know Photoshop well. So just I'm making a video file of PAL V1. Take a new layer. So hope we are understanding what is happening on the screen. If not, let me know so that we'll make it clear. Your Photoshop should be very strong. Now, how many layers are there? 3 layers are there. What are those? White, green, and black, right? Control S. Switch to the skin. Layer for After Effects. What is the topic going on? How to import PSD file. Make a file. Let's come. I'm deleting all the things. Select all and delete. Okay, deleting is okay. Now I'll adapt how to import the PSD file. Control I. Hope it is understandable what is happening. Switch to the desktop and find the file layer for After Effects. Is it okay? The time you press the enter, the software will not open this. It will ask you a dialog box. Now the information starts here. Catch to the screen. Photoshop file can be imported in After Effects in 3 different manners. Right? The first method. It will ask you to go for the footage method. What is the method? Footage. Second is composition method. Third is composition with layer size. So 3 different methods are there. Is it okay? Photoshop file opens any method on. Again, footage is having again 2 methods. One is merge layer, another is choose layer. So how many type of PSD file import? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 type of PSD file will be get imported. Let's start with the first one. Is it okay? Go to the footage style. The time you switch to the footage, the software will ask you again 2 questions. You have all 3 layers. Do you want to mix all them or you want to get individual? This is what the question is asking. By choosing merge, it will convert all the 3 layers into a single layer. So let's go to the first method. Get it okay. Now what happened? It brings the file in merging them all. Only one layer it will come. Is it okay? First method Ardhamainda. Second method. Switch to the same file by the option choose layer. Whenever you're choosing the layer, the software again give you the choice. ఇక్కడ ఉంటే మొత్తం లేయర్స్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ చెప్తుంది. ఏం లేయర్ మీకు కావాలా అడుగు. జస్ట్ చూస్ ది లేయర్, గో ఫర్ ఓకే. అది ఒక్కటే లేయర్ మాత్రమే వస్తుంది. Is it clear now? So the first 2 method is over. Merge layer, choose layer. Now the third, composition. Now, if you don't need to merge all and you don't need a single layer, you need all the layers as it is in Photoshop. Then we switch to the composition method. Is it okay? Switch to the scan. Same file. Control I. Get it okay. Layer files. Switch to the composition. Is it okay? Go for okay. Then what happens? It will not bring a single file. It will bring double file. What are those? These are all before it has come up. It brought 2 things. One composition and another folder. Inside the folder, all the layers will be there. Ardhamainda? Have a double click on the layer, on the composition icon, and you'll find all the 3 layers as it is you have done in Photoshop. Is it clear now? How to import like Photoshop file. That is going on. But now we'll see, very nice, it has brought. What is the solution? You got to know. But what is the problem here? We'll see now. The problem is all the files, center point is there in the center. All the files, center point is there in the center. Whenever it is a part of rotation, you can see it is rotating from a particular center of the canvas. Canvas center, ila rotate chala, we'll be coming to learn that. But what is the difficulty? I'm showing you that. What is the solution? You have got to know. Everything you can control easily, hide and show. But what is the difficulty? Everybody is rotating from the canvas center point. That is what we don't need. All the objects should rotate from its own center point. Then this method will not work. Again, the next method, we need to switch. What is the method? Composition, retain layer size. Layer, go over here, switch to this retain layer size. Then same layer will be coming, but their center point will be in the center of the object. Hope you got to know what is importing, how many type of importing, what are those, how to handle the PSD file. The summary of the class on your screen. In the next session, we'll be seeing about how to handle image sequence. Idi etta handle cheyalo, we'll learn in the next session. But the summary of the class, what you have learned, user interface in detail, how and what are the books could be followed, where to get and all that you are smart enough to do it. And we have understood now what is called panel, what is user interface details, panel details, detaching, attaching, everything is done. And we got to know what is called workspace, what is the 3 technical term, workspace, panel, and frame. Next, basic keyboard shortcut to get it full screen. And then we have imported the things and we got to know 3 different, like what are the footage we can able to use inside this composition and how to import different type of files and what is PSD file importing, how many type of import are there. The task, switch on to your system and make a PSD file, get it import, one of the things. Second, customize your user interface and save your workspace, load your workspace. Detach the panel, attach the panel. That's it off. Is it okay? Any questions you can able to ask me now, or else we'll stop it off. So all the record are happen. So you'll be getting it all. In the next session, we'll be meeting with the image sequence importing. Is it okay? Fine then. So I'm stopping the screen.